Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back with another video. And we have Emerson again. Welcome to part 4. This is part 4, yeah, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
The reason I feel very embarrassed.
Last episode, it was a tester party. Now we're doing a snack party, right? Right?
Yep.
Yeah. So we're eating chips, dip, and Cheetos again. So yeah, let's see. I want to be a piece here.
Pretty pink dots.
I'm doing my favorite one. Right, just right now, like, mostly my favorite one's the Egypt one, but I don't want to. Yeah.
That's good.
Alright, so Emerson is the tester chomper, and
I'm yelling at you. Do this.
And yeah, also I have a new gesture for the chomper.
I knew.
No, a new one, like I have another one, like from that pack I opened.
I don't want none of this.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna have some more fun playing Splitsman. Playing Splitsman. So, I'm gonna do this garden over here.
We do this one.
Huh?
We do this one. We always do the one on the pirate ship.
We're not doing the pirate ship one.
Can we do this one that I'm at?
You've already done that one before. Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this one. You never done this one.
The one that I'm at?
No, the one that I'm at. Look at my screen. That's on the other side, okay? On the pirate ship, okay?
I'm over here.
Huh?
What the? I see it. I think I see it.
Yeah. Excuse me. So yeah, so
I'm going all on the other side of the pirate ship.
what?
I'm going all on the other side of the pirate ship.
The pirate ship is like the middle. Alright, I'm gonna put the garden.
Confetti! It's a sunflower.
Of course it's a sunflower.
As you can see, I'm not a plasma bee. That's because today I'm eating Cheetos.
Yep. Emerson the tester chomper. We were trying to make a profile, but so I still have. Send me up a gold thing under the zombies.
Thank you for berry flavoring.
You're welcome. Berries are awesome. But right now, kitty cheese.
You may be a cannibal. I ate a plant.
Yeah?
I'm cannibal.
Hey! Alright, I don't even know why I'm still in the garden. That's a cool with me. Oh no, I didn't do that. Yay! Oh, wow, there's a big cake, right? Where's two? Remember, no scary kids. Ow.
Come back here. I will hunt you down.
Get out of here, foot soldier. Get out. Stop eating me.
I'm not eating you.
No, the zombies. I'm talking to the zombies. They're biting me.
That's weird.
Well, they're zombies.
Plants don't have brains.
Well, these plants do. Because we're smart.
That guy just juked me.
Huh?
That guy just juked me.
Hello. Sorry. Seriously, in the video?
Hey, I can't control it.
It is, man. I can control my bro.
No, it just slips out.
Brainless Brad. I think that's what it said, right? Oh, God.
This is brainless brats.
God. That was dangerous. How come I'm the only one taking all the damage?
Stop shopping. People like hitting me.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, God, Tank Commander. Ow. My hand didn't so much damage. Why do you guys hit so hard? I'm gonna die here. I'm at 15. Come on, bro. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was scared. You're raising up for your time. Oh, no. Do not shoot. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna get out of here.
Really? She was behind. Ah! I had you cornered.
I got an assist.
I got somebody cornered.
I know, I saw. Oh, we failed.
You did?
We failed the speed run. I'm gonna die.
I just went down a heal flower.
Oh, I need it. Oh, gosh, I'm at 1.
It's at the base. It's at the base.
Oh, I was at 1 health.
I'm at full health right now. Tank Commander. Oh, not Tank Commander. What are you shooting me? You're shooting me like I'm a deer on hunting season. You pay. You pay for everything you have done to
No,
me.
do not hurt the heal flower.
Boom.
There's still one more.
Never miss the chop sport.
Hopefully that kills me. I'm ready.
Me too.
Where's he coming from? Oh, he's coming from there. It's a Tank Commander! It's a Tank Commander. Still kill him. Ow. That's what you get.
Wave complete.
Very cool. Ah. So, hey, since you're a doctor, I have these contracts.
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh, bombs. Creeper zombies.
That's when I eat it here. Gotta be flat track.
Yep, real ones.
You better run.
Yep. Oh, no. I need to make mute sounds.
You are still here.
Behind you. Get out here, engineer. Oh my gosh, it's done.
Killed him.
Thank you. Let's go to our heal flower. Our heal flower's staying alive. We're just gonna keep it alive so we won't waste anymore, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I stay near him.
Uh-oh, boss wave is harder. I don't think we're gonna survive this for a little flower. What do I have? Yes, I do. Yes. We always get these. How can we?
Yeah, we got it yesterday.
I told you the pardon. It's a Monday and snack pardon. No. No.
Oh no.
No.
Come on.
Well, at least we got money. Not, probably that's enough to... Dude, I think that's enough to maybe get my... I think it just gave us like 1,000 coins.
I think it was like 3,000.
Huh?
I think it was like 3,000.
Dude, I have enough at 40,000. At 40,420. Oh gosh, there's a vampire. Get away from me. I'm trying to protect the seal flower. Well, the second one, we're protecting two things. Forget about the tombstone, okay? Forget about the tombstone, okay? Alright, we're just gonna protect the garden and the seal flower. Oh gosh, intruder. No, the heel flower's taking damage. No. Okay, heal yourself. Keep healing yourself. All you have to do is heal yourself. Please. No, he's dead.
You have 3 more. Stupid vampire. I will eat you, man. Oh, come on.
What?
He just put me right before I ate him.
No, you can't eat bosses.
Vampires are bosses?
Yeah, the vampire's almost a boss. It's a boss wave. There's no way you're gonna bite me. You're not even 55 health. I should have been Count Chocula. That is. I'm dying. No. Here, how much will be instead of me? Put some zombies. I definitely need my heal flower back. It's because he has stupid foot soldiers on the snow.
Oh, goodness.
I'm
I'm gonna plant another heal flower. But I definitely need help.
That's a bad spot to put it. Well, that's where the zombies come from. Hey, no! You can go down alone, you stupid vampire.
You babysit the garden, I'll babysit the flowers. I got you.
I killed him!
I was helping. I was chopping from the back.
I'm gonna get some of that healing juice.
It's not juice, it's sun.
I call it juice. It tastes like juice.
So what?
What? Oh my god. You don't get it at all.
I do.
I mean, that's an exaggeration, okay? Alright? Alright, seriously, this tombstone keeps spawning in zombies.
You know what an exaggeration is, right?
Huh?
You know what an exaggeration is, right?
Yes, my grandma told me about it.
Okay.
Well, you don't think I don't know anything?
No. Well, I'm just confused. Exaggeration is like,
I know what exaggeration is. the heal flower. See, look, that heal flower's dead.
Hey, let's see some blood.
Oh! What kind of shield is that?
He's flashing me. Shoot.
I'm just trying to kill these zombies. If you broken shield. I'm ready for all this. They my armor. No, do not destroy the old one. If you do, I'm gonna kill you so bad. Your brain is here. I'm gonna take out your scientist's brain. Nice. Flag zombie. Flag. See, the other heal flower died, but this one didn't.
Zombie.
Zombie?
Flag zombie.
Oh.
Zombie. I bring that food.
The garden health is that low health. Alright, grade 7. Okay, so let's get prepared. I think let's get Tito too. Okay. And then here, let's go. I hate these stones. Ah! Hold on, I'll be right back. Let's see.
You died.
Huh?
You died.
I know. I use my self revive. I hear Flower's still alive.
I feel like this is my third time since I killed. Oh, heal station. I'll kill it. This is my second heal station.
You went wave 7. Come on, we can be wave 9. I want to see if we can be wave 9.
Guard is pretty low.
I know. No, do not hit the sunflower. I killed him. Oh, no, he's dead. The sunflower's dead. Look.
Oh, no, Dad, no.
Yeah, he's the one who killed him. I know it. I heard an explosion, and then the heal flower just died from that. Ugh. This is our last heal flower. We can't fill. Oh no, not that.
What?
We gotta hack the translators. You know why?
Why?
If we don't, then it's gonna send a Zomos airstrike on our garden. It's gonna destroy it. So come on, we gotta hack the translators.
Oh, how many are there?
There's like 3. But there's like a million zombies like protecting that.
Oh, a chopper. We're all gonna run away.
No, I mean the long range one. And the all-stars. There's an ice one. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die.
Where is it? Where is it?
The other one is over there.
Ah!
It's bad for me there's like a million zombies because I'm not gonna eat them.
I'll eat them.
Oh man. Hack it! Hack the thing!
Ah!
Hack it, just keep holding B at it. Here, you hack